Homemade groundnut peanut cake recipe. Crunchy, sweet, and packed with nutty flavor. Perfect as a snack or dessert. Ingredients: makes 12 to 16 squares. For the classic no-baked peanut cake. 2 cups 300 grams roasted unsalted peanuts coarsely chopped or crushed. 1 cup 200 grams granulated sugar or coconut sugar for a healthier twist. 1/4 cup 60 milliliters water. 1 tablespoon honey or golden syrup optional, for binding. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Pinch of salt. Optional additions. Half a teaspoon cinnamon or cardamom. 2 tablespoons sesame seeds or desiccated coconut. Instructions. 1. Prep the pan. Line a 8 by 8 inch 20 by 20 centimeters baking pan with parchment paper. Lightly grease with oil. 2. Make the sugar syrup. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine sugar and water. Heat over medium heat until the sugar dissolves. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let it bubble until it reaches hard ball stage 250 to 265 degrees Fahrenheit, 121 to 130 degrees Celsius. Use a candy thermometer, or test by dropping a bit into cold water. It should form a hard but pliable ball. 3. Mix with peanuts. Remove syrup from heat. Quickly stir in peanuts, vanilla, salt, and spices if using. Mix until peanuts are fully coated. 4. Press and set. Pour the mixture into the prepared pan. Press down firmly with a greased spatula or rolling pin. Sprinkle sesame seeds, coconut on top if using. Let cool for 10 minutes, then score into squares with a knife. 5. Cool completely. Allow to cool completely 1 to 2 hours until hardened. Break into pieces along the scored lines. Enjoy your homemade groundnut cake. Kindly subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell.